Hello everyone and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. Today I'm going to show you how to make a coloring book for girls and it's a gratitude book. So it's going to be kind of like a combination type coloring book. So you're going to have some type of quote or motivational type quote, but then you're also going to have a coloring page. So it's kind of like a combination type thing. It's really cool, and you can actually go up and do some research. As you can see, I went into Publisher Rocket and I've done a bunch of different research here. Like right here, there's hundreds of keywords you can go after, and I've just checked all these different ones. And a lot of times I'm looking for stuff that that catches your eye, that has low number of competitors, that's making money, and then the competition. So this one, all three of these check out good for me, but then there's a little bit of a concern with a volume, right? So is there going to be volume on the keyword? So we'll go across and you can find. So this one, it checks out here for 61. It checks out for searches. It also checks out for profitability, but then it is most likely has competition as far as how many competitors. And so what I do when I judge the competition score versus the amount of books, let's say this has 5,000 books up on Amazon. What I think is really happening is the competition score is not 80 plus, because even though this one might have a lot of books that are ranking, they're not relevant for that exact coloring book for guys. It's not completely relevant. So you can go and also you have to take it to the next step and do some manual, judgment on what keyword you're going to go with too. And what that means is, when you're on Amazon and you're checking up a keyword, you're going to want to, so I'm using all over here. Okay. So we have all selected and there's only 593 results. In my opinion, these are the 593 results that are going to be, very closely related to that keyword. So you really truly are competing against those 500 books. If we select up here and go to books, and then we do this, you're going to see that the number changes completely to 20,000 books. So Amazon may have 20,000 books indexed for this keyword, but you'll see quickly after you jump into multiple pages that the relativity falls off completely. So we just skip over to page 3 real quick. So you're going to see we're on page 3 now. Let's just check some of the results. So you still have gratitude showing up. That's good. And you're just going to keep going through. But you keep coming through here and you start seeing like this one, Psalms. You do see the gratitude, but when you start really, you can see the relativity of this by going and grabbing this and copying and then doing a control find and then pasting that in there and seeing if any books have that exact keyword on this page, and they just don't. You're really getting into very specific books here. I mean, those are sponsored Thanksgiving and stuff, but you're really just not seeing the relativity. And here's just somebody that's just spamming the system here. Every single book. So you're going to go against somebody that's spamming the system. And so you put up a better quality book, you're going to stand a lot better chance to rank for this keyword. So just wanted to put that out as far as just research in general. And if I go back let's go back to page 1 real quick. I'll just search for that we'll go under books and search for that real quick again. So you click on that, and I just want to do a test and see that exact keyword is on the first page. So it's really not. So what you can do is grab this, and then you can also come in here. You can use KD Spy if you have it, and do a little bit more extra research, and it's going to pull all the books on the first page, the top 20 books here, and you can go in. And you can also use this tool to do so this is pretty good. It's at 400K. So I like to aim for 300K, but 400K is still good. 2 yellows and a red. But when you go into like keyword analysis, you'll see that the keyword in the title is no. So it's green. So, if you're creating books in the coloring book for girls, and then you want to take it even niche down just a little bit further, for gratitude, maybe throw in this keyword. You will be the most optimized book on the first page is what this information is telling you. And then your word cloud for your subtitle, use all, maybe make a unicorn one. And you have journal and girls, coloring, gratitude, and you can use some of those. So that's just like a little bit more of the research aspect. How could you create this book real quick? Well, I'm not going to show you we're not going to go through the entire step because the video will be too long, but I'm going to show you just kind of like a concept of what you can do to put a book like this together quickly. You can go over to Google and type in girls gratitude quotes. Right? We're going to go to girls gratitude quotes, and you're going to see all kinds of different places. You can go, I think I found Pinterest gratitude quotes. So you can go over here and go to Pinterest and find a bunch of different quotes. I found a few and I put them up on a notepad, right? So we have this. So I just came over here and then I jotted a few quotes down for an example. Okay. So then what I'm going to do in this example, which you don't have to have this tool, and I'm not an affiliate of theirs or anything like that. But if you go into Tangent Templates, okay, you'll just go to their Tangent Interiors. They have a ton of interiors. It's great to get all the basic standard interiors. You can actually take these as templates and then go in, take them into Canva, and then make them even adjust them and make them even more custom. But we're going to come down here to the dynamic templates. I'm going to go to prompts right here. We're going to click on prompts. And in this case, you can do all kinds of different things. You can actually make a journal with prompts on top, all kinds of different things. You can make a sketch paper type thing. In this case, we're going to just go blank paper. We're going to go 8.5 by 11. And then for this type, I'm going to use what kind of, I'm going to use the Comic Sans. And then I'm going to use the top font, and I'm going to center it. And then I'm going to go in here and grab my fonts, my sayings that I came up with, and then I'm just going to paste them in here. Okay. So then what you'll do here is Tangent Templates gives you some prompts. Gives you like the directions on how you can separate these quotes out. And so we need to put a semicolon after each one of these, right? So semicolon, we're going to put that after each one of these. Okay. So imagine you have 20, 25, 30 of these right here. And then this is what it's going to do right away. This is a preview. You can include bleed or no. I'm going to go ahead and go with no. And you can see what this does right here by clicking on the arrows there. And then you can just save and download that, right? So it's going to download it to your desktop. It's going to be a PDF. Now what you can do is take that PDF and go over to, a PDF to PNG converter. Take that, and we're going to convert this. And I like this PDF Candy one. Works really well. You add the file there, and then you'll convert it over. So then next, after you do that, then you'll go over to Canva. We'll go to Canva. We'll do a create custom design 8.5 by 11. And then you have your 8.5 by 11 over here. I already have those uploaded to save time. So you would just grab this, and it's already perfectly measured out. All you have to do is just drop it like that, and then do an add page, right? Grab your next one, and you get the point, right? So then you have your pages on here, and we'll do one more add page, and we'll do this bigger quote here, so you can see what that looks like as well. So then there we are. So then next, what you want to do is grab some coloring pages. And you can grab some coloring pages and bring those in just like so. And just to save time, well, I guess if this was even an adult coloring book, you could bring in something like this as well. An example of a coloring page I created in Word the other day. And then you could grab another one right here. And we'll just make that bigger. And so you can see you can create these coloring books, and you could also go into text and do like a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, like what day is it? You can put that at the top here to really customize this. And now you have a prompts coloring book, and you did it pretty easily, right? And so yeah, we looked at some research, and we looked at how you could go about creating one of these designs. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, hit that like button. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on bell notifications, because I'm putting out content like this every day. Talk to you soon. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. This way you don't miss out on any future videos just like this. If you are a KDP publisher and you are publishing coloring books right now, then you might want to check out my Gold Coloring Book Custom Pack. This is a very unique package that you will not find on any other platform like Creative Fabrica. I hired professional designers to create these background graphics that are perfect for adult coloring books of any kind. I use them specifically for quotes type coloring books. This gold pack also comes with 2 done-for-you PowerPoint templates that all you have to do is add your text to, and you have a coloring book. The hard work is done for you. Click the first link in the description to check it out. This pack is currently on sale right now, so get it before the price goes back up. See you next time.